Hey guys, Voices from the Dark here. This is just gonna be a quick little video. It's very early in the morning, but I encountered this problem last night. As you might see, load is grayed out. I can start a new game, and when I finally get to like actually being active and try to load a game, it's all gone. Every single save file is gone. I checked my my games Skyrim saves folder, and it's empty. I didn't really think about making a backup of the saves, which was a very stupid move of me. I also looked around the Steam app folder, but I can't find any Skyrim save data. We had like Marthar and Alianor and stuff. The adventures that they had been on. I don't really know what to do right now. It's annoying. I'll think about it some later today, and we'll see what happens. I don't know why it was deleted or corrupted or enchanted away by magic, spirited away. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. It sucks. Yeah, if you've encountered any sort of problem like this before and know if I can get my save files back, that would be great. If there's like a backup somewhere in any folder, you know, anything. I don't know why. I don't think it has to do with me downloading, because I've been downloading some mods lately, but I haven't like played for maybe 2 days or something, because I was recording like part 12, 13 and 14 a few days ago. Well, yeah, that's it. This is going on for too long. Skyrim save file is gone. What do? I'm confused. I'm scared. And I probably can't sleep at night after this, so yeah, take care. Been Voices from the Dark. Crying a bit. Oh god. Men Augusta. This sucks.